Hey there, Ritual Blends team. I was checking out your Amazon strategy and I want to congratulate you on making it to Amazon. We know how difficult it is to navigate Amazon's policies and great job as well on your 4.0 star rating on your listing. My name is Charles, by the way, from my Amazon guy. It's my job to point out potential opportunities to brands that prioritize Amazon. And if you're okay with it, I'd like to show you some things I've noticed. Let's go ahead and start with your traffic. So currently you are indexing for 258 organic keywords, which gives you free exposure in Amazon. However, I see that you aren't running any ads, which means you are likely leaving money on the table. So yeah, we do run more than 300 PPC accounts and find it's a good idea to always run ads, and it can be done so profitably as well. Now, let's see how you're performing on your keywords here as well. So we've got sleep aid with over 84,000 searches, sleep supplement with over 7,600, and sleep aids with over 3,900. And there's quite a lot actually. But yeah, let's just focus on this one so far since they are ones of the highly searched keywords. So I do see that your product is not ranking on it, which is a massive missed opportunity. Just imagine the increase in sales if customers could easily find your product using these keywords right here. So we definitely have to work on indexing more keywords to improve your organic numbers here, okay? Now, here's how big your category is, by the way. So for this keyword right here, there's over $34 million dollars in monthly revenue just for the top 50 listings alone, and sellers are averaging around $500,000. It looks like to me that there's a lot of market share still available for you to take advantage of. We can help increase your market share through SEO by utilizing conversion and click-through rate as part of our SEO strategy. Now, let's take a look at your competition as well. Just a heads up, we are not comparing products here. We are just simply looking at how we can benefit from their strategy. Of course, there will be differences in quality, quantity, and pricing. All right, so as you can see here, for this brand, they have 238 organic keywords. Actually, you have more. However, they are running ads. As you can see, they have over 2,000 PPC keywords, and this is one of the reasons why they have higher sales than you. Although we don't recommend this ratio, we do recommend a 2 to 1 ratio, so 2 organic keywords for every 1 paid keyword, but still, this is one of the reasons why they have higher sales than you. Just in the past month alone, they managed to sell over 500 units and over $27,000 in revenue. We can help you close the gap by doing a keyword gap analysis. That's where we duplicate the words that have the highest search volume into your listing. We are going to look at least 10 competitors when doing the keyword gap analysis. Pick the words that most of them rank in the top 10 results with the most impressions. Find all of the relevant keywords and index it to your product for more customers. Now, where do we add those keywords? First off, we can add them here in the title. So we can add at least 200 characters here and in your bullet point as well. Although this is already great, but we can still add more. So right after doing the keyword gap analysis, we are going to optimize both and fill it with highly relevant keywords to improve your visibility. And speaking of images, great set of images here, by the way. If you want to test out what images will work best, we can help you with that one as well. And then scrolling down, I noticed that you have your own A plus content and brand story, which is a really great addition to your product detail page. Just a heads up though, for your brand story, instead of adding just one clickable links, you can add multiple since there are no limits on the templates here, okay? And you may want to consider adding a product grid as well, like this one right here. Okay, yeah, here. So this is for product comparison and it will enable shoppers to quickly compare prices, view ratings, and add items directly to their cart. And last but not the least, alt text. So basically keywords hidden behind images, and right after doing the keyword gap analysis, we are going to optimize all of this and add at least 100 characters per image. Okay? Yeah, still missing here. So yeah, that's all for me. My Amazon guy is a full-service digital marketing agency managing over 400 brands and $7 million in monthly PPC spend. That's driving more than $1.2 billion in revenue for our clients. Our team is hands-on across every pillar of growth, whether it's PPC, SEO, catalog troubleshooting, creative, and brand protection. Whether you are losing rank, overspending on ads, or need help scaling, we bring data-backed strategies that will deliver real results. Now, if you found this video helpful, you can click the link below this video to speak directly with an Amazon expert to start growing yourself on Amazon. Thank you and have a great day.